Rubber loops are everywhere this year, and you can make amazing projects like this bracelet with these tiny loops. This is a special version of this fishtail type of pattern where you create both of the strands at the same time. So there's a little bit of a special technique for how to do that. And what you'll need to get started are some rubber bands, the small ones for bracelet making, and some clips for clasping the end. And this gizmo is kind of handy for creating this type of bracelet if you have one. So what you'll do is take your tool and place some rubber bands over the top pegs. And for the first one, what you're doing is basically creating a way for the two strands to attach together. So you twist the first rubber band, then you do one on the other side and twist. And these are made from silicone, but I can't help calling them rubber bands because they're, so similar. So what you do next is place another band over the top of those two pegs and then over this one. So eventually we'll just be working on these two, but to attach all of our bands together, we want to put a yellow over the top, and that is going to connect our strands. So now what we'll do is take our hook and free the bottom band and bring it up to the top. So you'll work over the top and then over on the other side. So you want to bring the bottom band over the top. Then on the next one, you'll bring the bottom band over the top. So just make sure that you're doing it on all four sides. Then what you're going to do, and the yellow also creates a little accent, and later on in the pattern, and we'll have the pattern available for this on the website so that you'll know when to add that stripe. But the next thing you do is bring your rubber band over the top and then bring another one over the top. So now we're going to pull this band up over the top of the peg and do the same thing on all four pegs again. And always work in a clockwise motion so that you can keep track of where you were. So now we'll add another red band to each set of pegs, and then we'll bring the bottom band up over the top. And now we have the yellow band, and you'll be able to see where that color is starting to change in your pattern, and also how our pieces are being held together. So there we go. And see how it's popping off of the top of the pegs? So that's where our bracelet is held together by the yellow band. Okay, so let's take a look at the way that it looks once you've continued working on your pattern here. Then you have it coming out the top, and you're coming down to the end. So maybe you've decided that this is long enough for your bracelet. And this would make a great gift, by the way, or you could do it in your school colors, or your favorite colors. And to finish, what you'll do is remove the band on. You want to get all of the bands onto one peg. So you'll bring this one over the top. We're just going to get down to a single layer here, and then this one over the top, and then another one, so that we're all the way around. So we have just a single layer of bands. Then we're bringing this band over onto the next door peg, and same for the other side, like that. And then we're going to bring this one up again. So to finish it up, you just have your last two bands on the top. And then you can see your bracelets coming out the back. You just have two loop attachment points here. So what you'll do is take your hook and place it through your band. And you might need to carefully pull on this band with your hook so that you can attach your clip. All right, so I'm just going to pull it out to the side, attach my clip so that I don't lose the structure of my bracelet. Then the same deal on the other side, I'm just going to pull that tight so that I can slip the clip. Actually, you can use the same clip. Just use the other side of your same clip and clip it on. So pull that loop through your clip like that, and then pull your bracelet out of your bracelet maker and attach your clip to the other side. And it's not too important where you attach this clip on the other end. You just want to make sure that it's secure. So pull it open a little bit, fasten it, and then you can fasten the ends of your bracelet together. So you have a fun double strand design.